And we're back with the same database, same program, and we're doing 8.6 on page 195. We want to display the dam names for all dams which have a null value for the height of the wall field. Height of the wall. Okay, so let's go to the next button. List with null height. There it is, list with null height. Double click the button. Now if we look at our database, you'll see TBL dams is still with one table. Height of wall. Height of wall is a decimal point number, so it will be real, but basically we just want to know if it's empty, you know, but there's an is null, a null field here. So we're actually not going to look for an empty string or a naught. We have to look for null value. That's what an empty record or instance of a record of a field, like for instance here, this particular record for that field is nothing in there, so it's null. It's got a null value, N-U-L-L, and that is what we're going to search for, and we are going to do what with it if it's null? Display the dam names, that's all. Right, so guess what? We're going to do the same thing as before. We have to do with DBM dams, do begin and end. Yep. Begin and end. And while not TBL dams, dot end of file dot EOF. Now we don't have to stop this loop, because you want to go through every single row, begin and end, and then we say TBL dams dot next. This is all very important. If you don't use the dot next, and now on top of dot next we're going to put code. So there's your structure, your skeleton code, so to speak. You have your data module, begin and end, and then you have the while loop. We go to the first row, you have to go to the first row, while not dams at end of file, do begin and end, and before you end you've got to have this TBL dams dot next, and that's inside this begin and end. But we're going to ask the question, if TBL dams square brackets, what's the column heading again? Height of wall with a capital O and a capital H and a capital W, height of wall. By the way, case is quite important. If that equals null, then we're going to say already out dot lines dot add TBL dams square brackets dam name, and that's it. They just want us to put the dam name there. Let's see if that works, eh? Well, there's nothing else that I can see that we have to do here. And we can go and check what is right. Save your run. Okay. Alright, so that's it. Now why do I not have any more things in my textbook here? This text is all empty. This is making me mad. Why do I not have any pages here? That's not okay. Anyway, let's run the program and see. I'm not going to worry about that now. Run the program. This was easy peasy one. So, list with null height. So there they are. Done. Okay, we should clear the rich edit, hey? Rich edit dot clear. Already out dot clear. There we go. Okay, done. And we'll see you on the next one.